Hi guys! How's everyone doing today? I haven't vlogged in a minute, so I figured let's get back to it. The sun is playing me because I keep trying to film and it's like not in the right spot. It is freezing today. 28 degrees. It snowed yesterday.
Walking together.
Are you walking on the moon? I'm heading up north, or I don't even know where I'm going, honestly, to go get Invisilign. I want to get my impressions. I had braces twice growing up, and I also tried Invisilign like 8 years ago, but I never stuck with it. The dentist reached out to me asking if I wanted to do it, and it was kind of at the same time that I was really thinking about it, so I figured why not. So all of this kind of was serendipitous in the fact that I was thinking about it, and she offered to do it for me. I never wore my retainers, obviously. So if you guys are watching this and you just got braces and you just had your retainers, wear your damn retainers. So are you taking my impressions?
That helps us to have a model to base it on for the retainers that we'll be giving you for Invisalign.
Okay, cool.
If you allow me, I'm just gonna put this over you.
Sure. I'm getting a massage at the moment.
Yeah, we like to give what we call a spa type of experience.
That. No way.
Make it that little area.
Yeah, that's so crazy.
At a time, when we look at your lowers,
Yeah.
you can see what we're changing. We're changing how these teeth are all lined up. We're changing the crowding that you have here.
So cool.
Same thing on the upper. The way that these teeth are flared and rotated, we're going to change that arch form.
Uh-huh.
And then look from the side when we bring your teeth in a little bit.
Oh yeah, perfect. This is Nihal. She's so sweet. She's doing my Invisalign for me. So
How are you?
You're gonna make my teeth perfect? She said it would be probably less than 6 months, which is crazy. So I'll be back in 2 weeks approximately to get my Invisalign. So stay tuned. You're thirsty, huh? Yes, you can bring it down. Hi! Did I scare you?
Yeah.
Yeah, get over here. Get over here. Ah!
Let mommy down.
Give me a kiss. Mwah! Did I scare you? Renzi, where are we going? We're going to Florida. Hi. I love you. Hey. Who are we going to see? Titi Cole. And who else? Who else? You have anything you want to say? What do you want to say?
Because fun.
We going to for his birthday? He managed. So
I know he was like, wait a minute.
yeah. How many?
It's like, what's
So we're not doing anything here. We're doing here.
Yeah.
We'll all do here. So we do when we hold hands as they're touching.
Yeah. I
Okay.
like that. That's cute.
Okay. Go orange.
Oh my god. No, you don't. You honestly don't.
No?
I think you're just you don't look orange.
And then mom, well, where are we gonna put mom?
I feel like you should decide.
Yeah.
Like, wherever you feel most comfortable with it. Because honestly,
No.
but like I feel like back there is like cute, like in script, like behind your arm.
Or maybe, well, I guess it depends. I mean, we can always do it in different spots too. If there's a spot we want it. So we're gonna do here.
Yeah.
Like maybe, like mom, or
Yeah, like if you wanted to do yours on the inner, like I could do mine like on the out because I have
yeah.
on the
True,
inner,
true,
you
true.
know. Or like I mean, I could even put it like here. Or like I said, I could put it back here, like kind of next to that one.
Yeah, that's pretty.
But you're gonna get your like say whatever spot
Right, the
you want.
butterfly.
Your butterfly, yeah.
That I love, like the one here. Oh wait, let's go right back.
Please.
So annoying. I don't know.
We gotta figure it out.
I know. Okay, let's figure it out. Maybe if I'm doing one here, I'll do one on this side.
On the
Maybe I'm
inner.
gonna do like right here,
Oh.
like in script, pretty.
I can do
like
it
I
here.
love
I can do it inside.
like this way.
Yeah.
Or this way.
Whichever
this way.
way. I think it would be cute that
This
way.
way. Yeah. So that when you see it, we
Yeah.
look right at it, and it's on
Yeah.
our left side for
Yeah,
our heart.
I think it'd be cute.
Okay, let's do that. I love that.
Yay.
Okay. Easy.
We just went and got some tattoos.
Basically, we're tatted up.
Momish. I think she got 4.
I did.
I would consider this 2, wouldn't you? Like, I mean,
Yeah.
it's 1 tattoo, but it's 2.
True. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5.
4.5.
Technically, yeah.
No, yeah, it is. Jeremy's home with the boys. We're gonna walk in there and Spanish is gonna be like,
I know. Honestly, I felt really bad. I gave him a big hug before we left because I'm like, I'm sorry that we're leaving you right now.
and we literally just ran out the door.
Yeah. With our iced coffees. Toodaloo, motherfucker.
He's a gem. Like,
Yeah,
so,
he really
so
is.
appreciative
Mm-hmm.
of him staying with the boys. He took the cutest picture.
Oh, here, let me pull it up while you're
Yeah,
talking.
you have to see it.
These boys, man,
We're, like,
they are
crying.
so effing cute.
They're just like having little conversations with each other. Like,
I mean, come on. Do you die?
I just like hearing them talk to each other.
I know.
Like,
I know,
can't
like when they,
understand-
like the response, like, yeah. I'm like,
guys, okay,
oh, okay.
okay.
Aw.
Sweet gems.
Love
So
them
we
so
both
much.
miss them.
Yeah, we were just saying that. We're like, we can't
Can't
wait
wait
to
to
get
get
home. Aw. You think they're gonna be excited to see us? Sometimes
Probably not.
I'll like film the reaction of me coming home after like a whatever day,
Yeah.
expecting like, and then I don't get it. But when I don't film it, it's like the best reaction ever.
Yeah.
So.
No, sometimes I'll come home and I'll be like, "Hey, mom."
Yeah.
I'm like,
Excuse
"Oh,
me.
now I'm mom right now." Like, oh, okay. We're gonna go home, try to put these little coconuts down for a nap.
Yeah, we don't want to have a repeat of last night. Last night was really bad.
He was just tired.
No, I know. We had a long day. Like,
Yeah.
obviously, there was no earlier flights. My flight got canceled. So,
Yeah, I told him that.
Renz I had a meltdown, a wall meltdown.
It was. I felt so bad. He didn't want to get out of the tub.
I think
He
that was
wanted
what it
to
was.
go
That's where it started.
downstairs. I'm
He
like,
wanted to go to-
sir,
yeah.
it's
One
Florida.
level.
Like, you go down, you're gonna hit the water.
Right. He couldn't understand. And then he wanted to go in mommy's car, and he wanted to go home. And I was
Yeah. I know, Jeremy, after I put Kai down, I came and he's like, I heard him saying you wanted to go home. I'm like, oh, Renz.
like, I know, my poor baby.
Oh my god, it's so funny because Renz calls Jeremy Uncle Jay. So we're saying Uncle Jay to him, so now Kai's like, Uncle Jay.
And you're like, no, it's Daddy. And then Renz is like, Daddy.
We're like, oh
So we're
my
like, oh God. We don't know which one's better at this point.
We are almost home.
Are we?
So, see you later.
What flavor is this popsicle? What does it taste like? What fruit?
Whoa.
Whoa, you're Kai.
Like,
Look at mommy.
And I'm home.
I mean, it's how getting down.
Do a backflip off. Come on, stop playing.
Mommy.
Got it, mom.
It hurts. I don't know why I did this.
Mommy, get off.
Mom, get off. Woo! Go, mom.
Oh, hold on tight.
Mama, come here.
Because I want to hear a bag match. You don't hear yourself.
Okay. Let Jeremy go first.
I'm not saying it.
Just say it. It's just your voice.
I'm not saying.
Crayon. Yeah, sorry. Crayon.
Crayons. Crayons.
Crayons.
Like cranberries.
Crayons.
This one.
What is that? What is that? Is that vanilla? Is it vanilla? Okay, so we're having a debate. What are these called, Mom?
Crayons.
Crayons.
What are they called?
Crayons.
Crayons. They're crayons.
Crayon.
Crayons. So who's right? Me? Mom?
Like I said.
Oh, okay. What is this?
How do you say it?
Crayons.
Crayons.
Hey,
The
Lorenzo.
cycle is
Ready?
dead.
Lorenzo, what are these called?
There's green.
Fafas. Okay, so we got fafas, we got crayons, we got crayons, and we got crayons. Which one is it?
Crayon.
It's a crayon. What is that, Kai? What are you doing? Chaos. Renz, you want to put clothes on?
No, it's cool.
Did mommy get you a surprise? Look, they're slimes. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, should I open it for you?
Yep, here.
Yeah.
Bubble gum. Oh no, my phone come on.
The flower came off.
Let me kiss it. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
See you later. Where did Renzi go? You're hiding in the bathroom? So good.
You can make sure that we don't lose it yet.
What do you got? Oh, wow. Hey guys. So I'm in New York City. I just checked into my hotel. I'm about to get dressed. I am here with the American Heart Association. It's their 100-year anniversary and there's a big gala tomorrow. So I'm so excited to be here. My friend Amber Scholl was so sweet and told me about the event and they invited me and I am honored to be here. So tonight is like a little cocktail party and then tomorrow is the big gala. And tomorrow is the Red Dress Collection concert. I believe Demi Lovato is performing, which is so cool. So it's gonna be a fun couple of days. I'm excited to be here and I'm running a little late, so let's get dressed.
We could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car.
You're part of the nation of lifesavers. Y'all, we need every community, every family, every part of this country from coast to coast and beyond to have people who are ready to jump in case of an emergency.
That's called $100 hors d'oeuvre. She goes, you got caviar? I said, oh yeah, we got caviar. Come on. Warm and buttery brioche.
Wow, look at that.
Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city.
Hey guys, day 2. We just left brunch. They gave me some note cards about, I had no idea about a lot of this stuff, and it's actually really crazy, and I feel like I came for a reason, and I just wanted to share some of it with you guys because I didn't know any of this. If I could bring awareness to just one of you guys, I would know that that's my purpose of why I'm here. Tomorrow we're supposed to be learning CPR. I'm not sure if I'm able to stay for the event because I really need to get home to Renz I, but tonight we have the Red Dress Collection concert where we're gonna get it all dressed up, and it's a big gala for, again, the American Heart Association's 100 years. Cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer of women. It claims more lives than all cancers combined. That statement alone is just mind-boggling. I had no idea. Nearly 45% of women over the age of 20 are living with some form of cardiovascular disease. Only about half of women are aware that cardiovascular disease is their leading cause of death. Go Red for Women is the American Heart Association's signature women's initiative committed to raising awareness of cardiovascular disease in women across the globe. Tonight is a rallying cry for women's heart health. We're raising awareness and encouraging women to learn about the risk for heart disease and stroke and take action to reduce it. Tonight we are supporting Go Red for Women and their work to save and improve women's lives, funding life-saving research and education. So I'm honored to even be here, and I'm excited to learn more. And thank you to American Heart Association for having me this weekend. Well, this week. It's been on my to-do list to learn how to do CPR. It's a free method that everybody should learn. It could save a life, and especially being a new mom, that's something that I just feel is absolutely necessary. So whether I'm able to show it here on this vlog, or maybe I can link some how-to videos, I think it's super important that you take a few minutes to figure this out and learn it, because you just never know how it could come in handy in the future. So I am going to meet Amber. We're gonna go grab some coffee and chat for a bit, and then I'm gonna get ready for the event tonight. So I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Will you marry me? I love you! Wow, that was great!
It's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time.
And as an ambassador and an advocate, and now a lifetime supporter.
What's wrong with being confident?
Look at my favorite people. Don't ever leave. Come to New York and come to Jersey and stay with me, please.
I love you so much.
I have 5 cats and 2 dogs. Is that fine?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right.
As long as I can just sleep in your beauty room.
Oh,
I'm great.
girl, yes. And I have 7 closets, so we can play in the closets. You know fun. Wow. You're so cool.
Let's get out, we can leave this city.
What?
The one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.
You're so cool.
We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna